I can see expediting it so you don't have to then continue the hearing, which now apparently has happened, but you don't have to then give a continuance and make everyone wait even further for the ultimate.
Exciting, exactly. That's what I'm saying. So at the initial appearance in court, lawyers, pro se people, get a trial date. Because if anything comes up, they're going to get this done in 2 weeks and you're going to have a final trial date. It's exciting stuff.
Oh yeah, but
Because
I mean
what's good for the goose is good for the gander.
I don't know what that means, but
No, because if what you're saying is they had a
who's the
trial
goose and
date.
the gander?
The goose and the gander would be poor people that work for a living and Republicans with political clout.
Oh, well, that's true, but I also think it's just good practice by attorneys. If you have a good attorney, the attorney knows that if things are dragging out, you get a trial date so you have hard deadlines and you can get things to move forward.
So I
mean, that's regular practice.
I want to read a statement from an attorney that said this publicly after reading the stuff. I did a post yesterday about the expedited notion. I do think it's something that's intriguing to me, the expedited notion of this case and also the 180-day mom out of Christine Ward's. I'm really glad that when there is contempt with jail time, the courts have room on their calendar. I'm excited about this. I'm not trying to be sarcastic at all. Me? Listen, when I read the motion for contempt related to financial disclosures was filed on emergency docket and then was entertained by the court on the emergency docket and set for a hearing the next day related to financial disclosures, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, my jaw was on the floor because that's not standard practice. That's just something to think about. And the reason we're bringing that up, or I'm bringing that up, is because we do have a motion to disqualify this judge for being biased. And so there is a question generally, is the judge treating this case different than she treats all the other cases in her docket?
I will say if to maybe the attorneys opposing that motion, or if you're gonna make an argument about bias here, go look at some of the other cases, especially higher profile cases approaching trial.